becoming completely free. There's no way you can be free in a capitalistic society if you do not have economic liberation, if you don't control your own economic destiny, if you haven't obtained and maintained your economic liberation. And now let us discuss multiple stocks that will get your P.A.I.D. right, N-O-W. Irrespective of whether or not the market is up or whether or not the market is down, each one of these stocks are in a particular sector, and they are the sector leaders that are recessionary proof. So they will allow you to have consistent income like a Rothschild, bull bear. You won't have to care. First position I want to give you is Amazon, symbol AMZN, Amazon. Now it shouldn't be surprising that the first of the non-meme stocks to crack the list is Amazon. The company became an essential destination for millions of Americans who were staying socially distant and in their homes. However, Amazon stock has been a roller coaster stock this year, and until late August, it was down over the previous 12-month period. However, you better not count out Jeff Bezos and the gang. It now looks like Amazon is on the verge of a breakout, which is also the consensus opinion of analysts who project the stock has a nearly 20% upside. You're getting this now, as we see now what others see eventually. Okay, as I indicated, when a particular market is down, a particular stock is down, like a big boy like Amazon, you know damn well it's going to rise back up. So you need to take your position accordingly in that AMZN, set that trail stop wide, let the market come back to you, and not to mention we're on the front side of what? The holiday, aka holiday season. And how do you think people are going to be, where you going to think people are going to be buying things, and how you think they're going to be shipping them? Amazon. Get it for the low now. Set the trail stops wide. Get P.A.I.D. as the holiday, aka holy season, approaches. Next up, Aapl, symbol AAPL. We're talking about positions that are ready to get your P.A.I.D. Aapl, symbol AAPL. Now, as you know, this is the manufacturer of the iconic iPhone, and it is enjoying another strong year, and recent boost in its price target suggests that Aapl stock has further declined to the upside. One reason for this, beloved, is that Aapl has announced it is unlikely to be as affected by the global chip shortage as other companies. And one example of that is this new iPhone launch is expected to go off without a hitch as planned. Aapl, symbol AAPL. Next position I want to give you is Alphabet. Talking about that GOOGL. Just as Amazon is a household name in e-commerce, Google, whose parent company is Alphabet, is a household name for many reasons, notably online searches. Now, the company is drawing the attention of regulators, but for now, there doesn't appear to be much that is going to slow down the stock. GOOGL stock is up 81%, family, in the last 12 months. And although the consensus opinion of analysts is that the stock only has a small upside, recent opinions suggest that the stock could have much larger upside than originally anticipated. Family members, Google, or Alphabet, I should say, symbol GOOGL. Next position I want to give you is Alibaba. Alibaba, an intelligent way to invest in the big red dragon. We're talking about China. Now, Alibaba symbol is BABA, and it's not easy to invest in Chinese stocks right now. That's a lesson that investors in the Amazon of China have learned the hard way. You see, Alibaba is known as the Amazon of China. BABA stock is down 39% in the last 12 months and 15% in the last 30 days ending September the 3rd. Concern lingers over how much influence the Chinese government will have on the company's profits. This got further traction as the company announced a $15.5 billion pledge to Beijing's Common Prosperity Vision. But this particular position, Alibaba, is a perfect swing trade opportunity for you, me, we, the beloved Afterwards Wall Street family members. Alibaba, symbol BABA. Next position I want to give you that's poised to get us P.A.I.D. is Pfizer, symbol PFE. It's always best to leave your emotions out of trading and investing decisions. And that's the case with Pfizer. No matter your personal feelings about the company's COVID-19 vaccine, it is likely to have an outside effect on the company's revenue and profits for the next several quarters, period. News that millions of Americans will likely be receiving a booster shot of the vaccine over the next several quarters should serve as a nice tailwind for PFE stock. And yours truly told you, these particular vaccines are and never will be a one and done. They figured out a way to monetize the ongoing treatment of the COVID situation. And so there's going to be vaccinations with booster shots required from now and forevermore. And the manufacturer of the vaccines and the booster shots will get P.A.I.D, notably one of which is Pfizer, symbol PFE. So you'd be well advised, like I said, to put your emotions out of the investment and or trading decision and do your drill down on Pfizer, symbol PFE, to get your P.A.I.D. Next position I want to give you is Clover Health. Clover Health, symbol CLOV. Now, the short squeeze has become trendier than the expected investment strategy. And advocates of the strategy don't necessarily believe in the fortunes of the underlying company, but they see an opportunity to turn a quick profit. That certainly seems to be the case for CLOV stock. Short interest is not high overall, but it's jumped up nearly 20% in the last 30 days. Now, the company is a play on Medicare insurance. I repeat, Medicare insurance. But it lacks pricing power in what is a competitive sector. But CLOV will continue to rise as the Biden administration goes in, hones in, shapes, and manipulates Medicare insurance. Very clever way to get P.A.I.D. from Medicare. Clover Health, symbol CLOV. Next position I want to give you is another big boy like Amazon. We're talking about that Microsoft, symbol MSFT. Now, it would be easy to look at Microsoft stock as a pandemic and post-pandemic winner. The stock is up 119% since the onset of the pandemic. However, MSFT stock was a solid performer for years prior to the pandemic. In the 5-year period from February 2015 to February 2020, MSFT stock was up 321%, an average annual gain of 64%. When you add in the dividend, which has indeed grown by 31% in the last 3 years, there are many, many reasons for you, me, we, the beloved Afterwards Wall Street family, to be excited about possibly including Microsoft stock into our portfolios upon completion of the appropriate drill down. Microsoft, symbol MSFT. And the last position I want to give you for your consideration is Nvidia, symbol NVDA. Have we not gotten P.A.I.D. from this particular position even prior to the pandemic? In mid-August, NVDA stock broke through a line of support and has been on an upswing ever since. The question for investors is, how much of a run does the stock have left? On the one hand, the company stands to benefit as the global chip shortage will make demand stronger than supply for the next several quarters. The company last released earnings in mid-August, and since that point, many analysts have increased their price target for NVDA stock. Family members, this is a darling that will get you P.A.I.D. intelligently. You've just been submitted 8 positions that are poised to get you P.A.I.D. We're talking about that NVDA, Nvidia. We're talking about that Microsoft, symbol MSFT. We're talking about that Clover Health, symbol CLOV. Pfizer, symbol PFE. Alibaba Group, symbol BABA. Alphabet, symbol GOOGL. Apple, symbol AAPL. And Amazon, symbol AMZN. Providing you with information that will allow you to not only obtain but also maintain your economic liberation.